Is the Iceland £25 complete Christmas dinner worth it? I wanted to find out. If you're looking for a solution for your Christmas dinner this year, this may well be it. Let's go take a look.
It's that time of year, isn't it, where you're not quite sure what you're going to do for your Christmas dinner. Don't know whether you've ordered your turkey or not, or whether you have turkey even, you might not. I'm going out for my Christmas dinner, but somebody gave me a really good idea the other day, and I'm going to go and find out whether or not it's worth buying. I think it might be a really good deal. Even though I might not buy it for my Christmas dinner, I'm going to go and investigate. Are you with me? Let's go shopping.
I'm headed out to my local food warehouse, which belongs to Iceland and sells all the same stuff that Iceland does, in the hope that I can find one of these £25 complete Christmas dinners. Let's see if I can actually find one in the store. Well, I'm going up and down all the aisles and I'm really struggling to find it. So I'm looking where there are turkeys, and I'm looking where there are vegetables, and I'm looking where there are desserts, and I'm looking where the pigs in blankets are, and I'm really struggling to find it. I'm not quite sure whether they're going to have one in. I'll be so disappointed if I can't find one, because I've been really looking forward to getting one of these. There's some pretty good stuff in this food warehouse, and I don't know why I don't come here more often. There is a lot of stuff in the freezer, but there's also a load of stuff that's tinned, and there's some fresh produce as well, so it's really nice. Anyway, I still can't find this Christmas dinner, and I'm not sure whether they've got them in stock. I may end up having to just ask somebody, or I may end up having to come back another day. I'll be so disappointed if that happens. I've ended up having to ask somebody, and they haven't actually got any in the aisles at all. But fortunately for me, they have got one out the back, and somebody's going to bring me one, so that's brilliant. So finally, here we are on the checkout, ready to pay for this £25 Christmas dinner.
Here it is, the Iceland Christmas Dinner for 4. Now this is something I don't normally do. I normally buy fresh food. I absolutely still advocate fresh food, fresh meat, fresh vegetables and all of that. But I came across the Christmas Dinner for 4 because my daughter had one for Thanksgiving, her and her partner, and she said it was absolutely amazing. So I decided I was going to get one and review it. Now I'm on my own, okay, and I'm not even going to be here for Christmas dinner. So this is a huge risk for me. So let's see whether I thought this box from Iceland, which costs £25, so that's almost all of my grocery allowance for the week, is worth the money. I'm going to speculate in that if you bought it for your Christmas dinner, I'd imagine it'd be really good value because you wouldn't have any work to do. I think it's very simple to prepare all the veg and prepare the meat. So let's have a look and see what's in the box. Let's get right into it and see what's in the box. So I'm quite excited about this. Got to work out how to open it first. There we are. There we are. Oh, and you even get some instructions. Look at that. Brilliant. Christmas dinner for 4 with the instructions and all of the oven temperatures and everything on the back. So that's really helpful. Let's see what you get. You get perfect dripping roast potatoes. Look at that. So you don't have to peel your potatoes. You get honey glazed parsnips. Now those parsnips are my favourites. I love them. So that's really amazing. You get maple glazed chantilly carrots, which look lovely. I love chantilly carrots. Don't know if you've had them before. They aren't sort of the cheapy carrots that you normally get. They are really nice. sprouts with bacon. Now here's the thing, I'm not a lover of frozen sprouts, but I'm going to try these and I'll tell you what they're like. I'll tell you what my verdict is. Turkey gravy. You've even got the gravy. That's really good. Pork, sage and onion stuffing balls. Wouldn't be a Christmas dinner without the pigs in blankets. And a roast turkey joint. Now, what I like about the roast turkey joint is that it comes in its own container, and I'm just going to check the cooking instructions. So you cover it with foil and you bake it for 1 hour and 20. That's not going to make too much of a mess of my nice new oven, which I really like. Now for me, if I'm only feeding myself for the week, I'm obviously not going to eat all the turkey in one meal, and the turkey's not going to last the week. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to have the first portion of turkey with the first meal that I make, second portion of turkey with the second meal that I make the day after, and then the rest of it I'm just going to use for cold, making a sandwich. Let's spread all of this out so you can see it properly. I think that that's a value Christmas meal. I think £25 is a lot of money for if it's just your weekly shop. I wouldn't advocate that anybody replace that. But what I will say about this is, if you are busy, you work shifts, you've got a family, you know, you're feeding 4 people and you really haven't got time to cook, this is not a bad deal. Let me know what you think in the comments. Over the next week, I'm going to be trying these foods out, and I'll make another video where you can see me testing them and eating them. I think it's a lovely idea. Don't know whether we'll be having it for my Christmas dinner. I will see. I go to Christmas dinner with my mum. She might want to make something different. But if I like it, I will suggest it. The other thing I'll say about this spread is, for me as a single person, that's going to really bulk out my freezer stock. My freezer is just about empty at the moment, so this will help me to fill that, which I think it's a really good deal. And it's going to be so easy for me to come home from work in the evenings and just pop a selection of these things in the oven, because I think they all go in the oven. You can pan fry those, or you can pan fry or oven bake them. They also be oven. Look at the sprouts. Let's have a look. You can even put the sprouts in the oven. Look, I can come in from work and I can put in some parsley, some sprouts and some potatoes and some stuffing balls, and just find myself a piece of chicken if I've run out of turkey. I think that's a really good deal. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you would try the Iceland £25 Christmas meal deal, whether you'd try it for Christmas, whether you'd try it for another celebration. I think it's a great thing to have in the freezer. I'm really pleased with it. I have to say, I had to ask for it today in the food warehouse. I looked all around the store, as you will have seen from the video earlier. I was hunting for it and I actually had to ask a staff member, and they had one in stock out the back. So please, if you do go to Iceland and you can't find it, please ask, because they will have them, I would imagine. I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you thought. If you've enjoyed this, please give the video a like. Subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to see more content like this. And if you think it's been a really good video, you can always press the hype button. That's a new feature for YouTube now, and that helps the video and the channel as well. It has been amazing having you with me, and I hope to see you again in another video. Bye!